Hello, everyone. I'm very excited at the moment. I just decided to post you guys a new video on how to add a video to your web page. It's pretty awesome. It's so similar to the image source, how to add an image source. But what I decided to do here was take my video number one. This video is how to create a put it on the web page to organize. And I just want to show you real quick how powerful CSS is. So even though we've created tags to center and left and right align images, we can do the same with a video. So this is this new code here we're going to be doing, and I'll put it back up here in a second. But I just want to show you how powerful this is, where we said source video equals, and then the description of where to go. We can say class equals center and save it. And that's actually supposed to be up here. Class equals center. And with our video width and height and everything else, we can say class equals center. Refresh. It's in the center of the page. It's just like we've done with our images, but in this case, it's a video source. So I just wanted to show you real quick how you can once again use the classes you've already created and use them for videos as well as your images. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just, while the video is recording here, I'm going to record a video on my Chromebook. So what I'm going to do is, and you can do this also, is go down to your launcher when you're ready to make your video. You might want to pause this here in a minute, but you're going to go to your launcher, look through your apps for the camera app. And when you open camera, you'll see you've got some choices here: video, photo, and square. I'm just going to quickly just go to video, and I'm going to hold up this piece of paper. Some of you have seen this piece of paper before. And I'm just going to hit record. And it'll start recording. Maybe this video is you holding up a poster of something you've done on your website. It could be on religion, it could be on culture, it could be on the city-state. Maybe it's a piece of pottery that you've built, and it's something you'd like to display. So let's say you're recording your video and so on and so forth, and you finish the video and you're done. Well, you're going to click stop. And what you do is, just like anytime you have an image, you want to give it a name. So you can find this by going to your files. You can go to recent and usually find it there. You can also maybe go to videos or maybe even in the camera location here. I like to go to recent. Anytime I do something, I can go right there. But you can also find it with camera. So here we are in recent. Like we've learned in a previous video, a 2-finger tap on the mouse, and you can click on that video to rename. Now you notice here in recent, you can't rename. Up here it says read only. The contents of this folder are read only. You can't name them here. You can find them, you can look at them, but you can't write them. You can't rename them. So here in the camera folder, I can find that video today at 12:32 p.m. I can 2-finger click on it, right? And I can give it a name. Let's just call this video_1. You would have a better title than that, but just for the sake of the demonstration here, video_1. Okay, now I need to put it in with my other folders, my other files for my website. So I'm going to take my video number 1. I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Go to my drive. Here's my HTML folder. Here's my websites folder. And I have an images folder. Now I already did an example, and that's why you see that video 1 right there. I'm just going to put this in images, okay? And I'll delete this. This was the video I showed you in the example. Okay, now we could make another folder, and we could call it videos, or images, but we'll just put it here in images, okay? Video_1.mp4. So what you are going to do is find the web page that you want to put the video on. If it is on your home page where you'd like to do this, go to your home page. I'm just going to do it there. And I'm going to come down to, let's say I want it at the bottom of my web page. It's got to be whatever, after whatever text you've done. So I'll put it down here, and we'll go to line, 30. You're going to type in video width equals the number you want. This is a pretty standard size, a 320 by 240, just to keep it small. And then if they want it to be bigger, they can, of course, make it bigger. Okay, and when you type in that last caret, you'll notice it makes a closing video tag. Well, you can push enter. You need to move it down a little. And now you're going to create a line that is video source. It's going to be very similar to what you've done with image source. Video source equals video underscore 1 dot mp4. Now remember, we didn't just leave it in a folder with our web pages. We put it in a folder called images. Images slash video underscore 1 dot mp4. Okay, and then make sure you have your quotation, and we're going to give it a file type, and we're going to say that this file is called a video mp4 and closing bracket. And we don't need that closing video. Okay, so there's the video. Oh, I made a mistake. As it popped up with that closing video, I realized what I was missing. You need source. There we go. Now we're right. So the video width and height controls the sources in the image folder called video. And as long as all that looks good, we can save it and we can refresh our web page. There's our new video over there. Let's see, over there. I can move myself over there, maybe. There we go. It's down here.
Maybe we'll start recording.
Okay.
Maybe this video is you holding up a poster.
Okay, so let's move it over to the center of the screen. So we can come back over. Class equals center. Save it. Refresh. Now it's over there. And
Record.
that way.
Maybe we'll start
There
recording.
it is. Okay, hope you had fun with that. I don't think you should load your web page up with a ton of videos. It is a web page after all. If you were going to fill your web page with videos, you might as well be on YouTube. So maybe your web page is mostly text, mostly pictures, and maybe a video every once in a while.
So on and so forth.
Awesome. Coding rules.
Well,
Have fun.
Record. Maybe we'll start recording.